The inventory dashboard is where you can have an immediate global vision of your inventory. It is now possible to make some changes without entering to edit your boat, like updating the price, the boat location, the listing status, and selecting a sales tag. You can check which boats have HIN numbers included. You can also order your inventory list by all of these features, such as year, make, model, price, listing status, and so on. Here in the days active column, this shows how many days your boat is active in Boat Wizard. And in the modified column, it shows the last time it was modified. If you would like to check all the boat history changes, select the listing and click on this symbol that looks like a clock. Through this updated dashboard, you can have a strategic view of how your boats are performing. In the performance column, you can see your listing score and you can see your listing stats. From now on, you'll find a detailed breakdown of the visibility your boat listing has achieved on our web pages. These key metrics covering the last 60 days highlight the most important statistics to help you track your listing's performance. You can also preview your boat. By clicking on the boat image, you can preview the listing just to confirm all the information filled out is correct. It is not an exact preview of how the listings appear online on our websites. So adding a boat listing. Boat Wizard includes a real-time listing score. The score rates your listing's completeness, helping you ensure it meets buyer expectations. Focus on factors like visible pricing, the number of photos and videos, a detailed description, engine hours, multiple boat classes, and a valid HIN number. It is important to complete all mandatory fields with an asterisk to activate your listing. Otherwise, the platform will not allow you to activate the listing or point out the missing information.